In Drupal 7, the idea of view modes was introduced. So by default, there were a few available. There was the default view mode, the teaser view mode, and if you click custom display settings down here, you can see also the RSS view mode, search index, and search result highlighting input mode. Now if we selected these and we clicked save, we would see options to modify the output of the fields for each one of these view modes independently. So if I click RSS and I switch the body to be above the image, let's save that, I could adjust the search index to put the image below the location, and I'll save that. So this means that we can kind of create different presentations of our content depending on the context that it's in. And you can see those different view modes up here. And you can see some additional view modes by clicking custom display settings on the Drupal 8 side too. Now the difference with Drupal 8 is that we can add custom view modes. You could also do this in Drupal 7, but it required an additional contributed module called Display Suite. Now, if we create a new view mode, there's nothing in core Drupal that will use it by default, but we can create views that will use that view mode to display it in a list of content. And there are other contributed modules that will let you select different view modes for different displays, like panels.